Hello, my creatively intelligent artists! Welcome back to art class. In today's class, we will be creating a fall leaf watercolor painting. For the materials that we will be using today, they are watercolor paint, paper, paint brushes, preferably 2 different sizes, a black crayon, and you will need a cup of water and also a napkin to dry your brushes. We are going to start off by using a black crayon to draw our tree trunks and also our branches. You decide where on your paper you would like to add the trunks and the branches. The way we are going to do the art project is that the branches will look as if they're not attached to the trunk. However, when we start painting, we will add in the leaves to make the trees look full and fluffy. So you can have vertical branches, horizontal branches, and diagonal branches. And if you would like to add more than one tree trunk, that will be fine. Remember to have lots of fun and be as creative as you can be. I am going to add one more trunk on this side, starting with my 2 vertical lines, which are a bit curvy. So your lines do not have to be straight. And then you can add a few more branches to go with your tree trunk. And I am adding my final tree trunk. This one will be a bit slant, a bit diagonal, so they don't have to be upright or vertical. And remember, you can add as many tree trunks and branches as you like. Now that I'm finished drawing my tree trunks and branches, I am going to use my black crayon to color in those areas. Okay, it's time for the fun part. Open your watercolor palettes and you're going to get your small brush, dip it into the water, and then dip it into the color blue. We're starting with blue because we are going to find sections on the paper to add our sky. So just small sections to make it seem as if we can see the sky through parts of the trees. If your paint is getting dry, just dip your brush into the water and then you can dip the brush onto the paint. Remember, if I am moving too fast, you can always hit the pause button. Once you are finished using a color, it's time to wash out the brush. Now I am going to switch to a bigger brush because now it's time for me to fill in my leaves. And I'm going to start with yellow because yellow is the lightest color. So I'm going to fill in all the empty spaces that I have, the white spaces, using yellow. Now that I am finished adding my yellow, I'm going to wash out my brush and then move on to my other autumn color or fall color. And I'm going to use orange to fill in a few sections of the paper. Now notice I'm just patting a few area, creating like a small stroke to give the leaf impression or to show that there are leaves there. So you do not need to take the brush and paint the entire area orange. Just doing a few touches on it to give the impression of leaves. Once you're finished adding your orange, you can wash out your brush, and then we're going to use brown. If you need to dry your brush, you can use a napkin to dry your brush. Also, if you need to change your water, you can change your water if it's getting too dark. Now you're going to use the brown to place the color beside the orange or in between the yellow and the orange. You do not want to put too much brown on the paper and then you're not able to see the yellow or the orange or the blue anymore. So select a few areas that you can just use the paintbrush to touch so that the brown becomes a part of your artwork. So keep adding your small flat brush strokes, giving your artwork an impressionism type of touch. Wow, guys, your artwork is looking so amazing. I had fun with you in art class today, and I hope that you had fun too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!